So let me show you how to send USDT from Binance wallet to Binance exchanger. After you open the Binance exchanger like this, now go to asset and go to deposit. Now go ahead and search for USDT and select USDT. So now choose the network, BNB network, and then tap on this copy button. Now go back to your Web3 wallet. So after you switch back to the Web3 wallet like this, now tap on this assets. So after you come to this assets, now scroll to down. After you scroll to down, go and select USDT. So after you select the USDT, so by default it will select the BNB chain for you at the top, and then tap on this send button. So now tap on this option now, and tap on this paste to paste the address. After you paste the address, tap on this done button. So now tap on this continue button. So after you tap on this continue button, now specify the amount you want to send. Let's say I want to send 20. After you specify the amount, just tap on this continue button. From there, it will be sent into your Binance exchanger, and that's it, guys.